Christianity have a way of life or way of death. All their doctrine opposite, how up with everything. And forgivable on your debenso, a holy person, right? In their word. You will be person with a debenso. You can't notice say if you can't go actually pray in Christian way, or if you do their Christian practice, you pray their rosary or whatever, things can't go well for you. No think say anything did that place. Nothing did that place, guy. You and your spirit, they alright. Nso budibia. Nso is dibia. Your ability to keep yourself well is dibia. But the thing now be say, one, Christianity is anti-Igbo. It is anti-us. It is anti-us. And that thing be say, for Christianity, if you mess up, if you do something way misalign, you go meet one nigga way probably they touch children, make him confess you. One pedophile, make him confess you. Him go come tell you, go pray their rosary as penance. Instead of you to go beg whoever, or that is if it's somebody that you offended, you go beg that person. George, Jebonia, Debeli or Jisia, Nakwifa man, Nakwifa man, no matter the cable. We they apologize to spirit, talk less of human being. Then, if not spirituality, you mess up. You only like if you mess up for spirituality, you go get the feedback promptly, instantly. Like yesterday now, because this is now midnight. Yesterday now, the thing way I go do out of how events how percentage they call me, no say all these women no na they call you papa mo. I can't use because of them now. I can't go something way I know collect money yet. I don't send a message. Asa, send my money. Send money. Make I can just go leave your body soon because the thing now, just the thing now where I go do where I know collect money immediately. No be say I know collect money. I know collect money use clean myself. Where Afa talk, where Afa will go for this individual talk say okwa dibia de boise Afa say no ye jegolu kita aje feature on me now come waka go house. I no even collect money self. Dibia collect money just that one like this now. I ain't now they are awake now. But just that one now I get instant feedback this night. Instant feedback. Now the thing with spirituality be say when you get instant feed, when you mess up, when you do something we know they natural, because now nature. You know what I'm saying? No be vacuum. When you do something we know they natural, you will get the feedback instantly. When you get feedback instantly, like you fuck around, you find out, you say you appease or you cleanse or you charge, all right, to cover that thing where you do, because you know go just come in the mighty name of Jesus, nothing like that. You even people where they do charismatic, they use animals to sacrifice. But now you now will be church person, now will be the sheep now, you know go know say ife ki charge ki well ife bupu ife. Oh, you know go write the Bible. Now you will get instant feedback, you go do easy way, you go take responsibility. You know what thing be responsibility? Responsibility now waiting go lift you up for this life. Now waiting go elevate your human nature. No be say you go take responsibility, you go know better. Now I know better, you go reach your higher self. You will get to your higher self. But Christianity, religion, you will fuck up. You will go to a pedophile to confess you. And go give you you go fuck up. You go day in 3D consciousness emotions of fear. Ego emotions of fear, judgment, guilt. You know what I'm saying? Low energy, fear of hellfire when you pass on in 100 years time. Can you imagine? You are afraid of 100 years time events. Is that no a stone on your head that is weighing you down? You're there afraid of something of 100 years, then you can't go. One nigga go come tell you say, go come Ndi Otu. Person will touch small pikin go come confess you finish. You can't go send you this thing. You go just keep in low energy. You won't elevate to a higher self. Me, I take responsibility. You are a fish in the bottle. I day in the sea. I'm a fish in the sea. Christianity is not a way of. It's not a way of life. It's a way of death. It's a way of you are a sheep. Sheep. That's in something. People will just live their life talking, say they be sheep. Maybe when they actually come back to this world, they will actually come back with 4 legs. Maybe that's why Ebun, ram, they're so powerful for sacrifice, because now basically human sacrifice. Can't wait to give my mom more Ebun.